Hello, this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box Storr and Leo. So, for the Leo, start with a 3x2, then a 1x1 with this hole. Take this kind of technique piece, and there's a stud on top, here. And then your prize, which is a bomb, then two 1x2s, and it's now 1x1 smooth here, and then a 1x1 with a stud, which you will put under the roof. Roof is a 3x2, and I designed it like I always do. There you go. Nothing spectacular. Oh, and on Storr, the big one, is a 4x4 smooth pieces here. Then it's corner couch pieces, and then they sloped and 1x1 smooth, you know. And then you just put 1x1 there, 4x1 there, and here is 4x1 with a 1x1 under here, so it will cover the hole there. Two 1x1s, 1x2s here, and then a 1x4 here, and there you go. And you take one of these gear changers keys or something, and then a 2x2, and then one layer of 3x1. Yeah, you can see 2x1, 1x1, and smooth pieces on top. And you slide it in. Slide. And use this with a cross hole. 1x1 with a cross hole for technical pieces. And 1x2. Smooth. And then here you'll put two 1x2s on each other. And then here 1x2. On top you will put 4x4 another plate, and smooth pieces here, here, and here. Here you will put 1x2, because you need to. Here you will put the hinge, and then a 1x2 on top. And the door is just a 2x1 and a 4x1 smooth. Put it there. And take a 1x2, 1x4, and yes, I put a 1x1 smooth there. And then a 3x1, 4x1, and maybe another put on the opposite side. And this little thingy here, it's a 2x2 couch piece, two 1x2s, and a 1x2 smooth. And take this smooth piece technique, and you take a 2x2 brick, put it here, and a 2x2 smooth, which will be there. And then what I use on top for the design is two of these, and a 3x3 for the cut crop. What do you call it? Put them on top. And there you go. And on the bottom I use some Mega Blocks pieces under, like for legs or something. You can try to make something else if you don't have the pieces. Probably not have. But there you go. Thanks for watching.